The Karambit knife, nature's fury on your fist. The Karambit knife is a brutally efficient blade originating from the Southeast Asian countries of Indonesia and the Philippines. The blade's shape imitates the teeth and claws of Earth's deadliest creatures. Long before it was invented and held by man, the Karambit blade shape was already wreaking havoc in the animal kingdom for millions of years. T-Rex. Velociraptor. Smilodon, also known as the saber-toothed tiger. Polar bear. Killer whale. Golden eagle. In the animal kingdom, prehistoric and present, we see the shape of the Karambit from a diverse group of animals, from sea, land, and air. Most of these animals are on top of the food chain, which means they have to kill and eat other animals to survive. The claws and teeth of these animals evolved to the shape of the Karambit, but the Karambit itself is primarily a utility tool that doubles as an effective defensive weapon. The teeth and claws of carnivorous animals tend to turn inwards, preventing prey from escaping. But when you deploy the Karambit, I personally prefer blade face down and the blade curving out like this. When a person is startled or attacked, the natural reaction is to draw the arms to the chest area to protect the vital organs. So when you hold the Karambit in the manner that I showed you, the blade faces out naturally. So when you counterattack, you simply bring the blade down or throw a hook punch. It's not hard to imagine the grisly wounds you will inflict your attacker when you have this on your hand, allowing to either stand your ground or escape when the opportunity presents itself. The ringed side of the knife can also be used like a one-ring brass knuckle puncher. The Karambit you see here has some very nice emergency features. It has a glass breaking tip and a seatbelt cutter. Two emergency features that I really liked when I was looking at this. In fact, the first model that I looked at was the EMT model. The only difference between this and the EMT model is the color scheme. This knife also has an internal spring that allows the blade to deploy in an instant. For these features I mentioned, I call this the worst case scenario Karambit. So the next time you see a Karambit, know that the blade shape has had a very successful run from a biological, evolutionary standpoint. Hence, it makes for a brutally efficient blade. Thank you for watching and be safe.